Hello everyone! Tackling projects like installing fence posts or planting trees can be labor-intensive, but the XtremepowerUS 1500W industrial electric post hole digger aims to simplify these tasks. Let's explore its features, performance, and user feedback to see if it meets your needs. Setting up the XtremepowerUS 1500W post hole digger is straightforward. The package includes a 6-inch auger bit ideal for standard post holes. To get started, assembly. Attach the auger bit to the power head using the provided hardware. Power connection. Plug the digger into a standard 110V outlet. Operation. Engage the safety lock, grip the ergonomic handles, and activate the trigger to begin drilling. This design ensures that even those new to power tools can operate it with confidence. The digger boasts several notable features. Powerful motor. Equipped with a 1,500-watt motor delivering up to 90 FDs of BU of torque, it efficiently drills through various soil types. Ergonomic handles. Anti-skid, vibration-proof grips provide stability and reduce user fatigue during extended use. Safety lock. Prevents accidental startups, enhancing user safety. Durable construction. The auger bit is made from high-strength manganese steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear. Every product has their pros and cons. Let's start off with some pros. Ease of use. Users appreciate its straightforward assembly and operation. Efficiency. Capable of digging multiple holes quickly, saving time on projects. Value for money. Offers robust performance at a competitive price point. Now it's time for the cons. Weight. At approximately 29.4 pounds, some users find it slightly heavy, which may affect maneuverability. No reverse function, lacks a reverse gear, which could be beneficial if the auger gets stuck. Customers have left a lot in their feedback regarding the product. Let's highlight some of them. After considering the features, pros and cons, and customer feedback, we'd rate it a solid 4.5 out of 5. Some users highlight its effectiveness in digging holes efficiently. However, some users have noted that the timer's long-term reliability could be improved. The XtremepowerUS 1500W industrial electric post hole digger presents a powerful and efficient solution for various digging tasks. Its user-friendly design and robust performance make it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. While it has minor drawbacks, such as its weight and the absence of a reverse function, the overall value it offers is commendable. What are your thoughts on this post hole digger? Have you used it for your projects? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more product insights. Happy digging!